Alright friends, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I will guide you through the Telecel Ghana internet settings that can help us to boost our internet speed, solve our connection issues, and provide us with a fast and a secure connection on our Android, iPhone, and Windows devices. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the tutorial, don't forget to share it to your friend, and that is it. Make sure that you have yourself a 3G device, a 4G device, and a 5G device so that you can be able to boost our internet speed on Telecel Ghana network. So first step, open your phone settings, and then in your settings write to connections, and then go to mobile networks, and then write to access point names, and then in the access point names we're going to press this plus button, and then this is how we're going to set everything up step by step, and then you're going to be able to boost your internet settings and sort of other connection issues. Most so that of slow internet, you're going to be solving that using this APN settings. So write the APN name you're going to be able to use. You're going to use Telecel. First write Telecel as of Telecel GH, and then the APN you're going to put in the internet. Right at here, Proxy, don't put anything. Let us go to the port 80. The username, you're free to use internet or leave it unset. The password also, you can be able to use internet. Server, we're going to use www.google.com. Check OK. Then the MMSC, don't set. MMS Proxy, don't set. MMS port, use it 443. The MCC, you're going to put 625. Authentication, MNC, use 02. Authentication type, don't set it. Now the APN type, you're going to use default, comma, sorry for the emojis. Don't forget to like that. Don't forget to like that too. Don't forget to subscribe and use SUPL. The APN protocol IPv4/IPv6, and the roaming protocol IPv4. But the bearer leave it as unspecified, and then make sure that you enable the APN, and then the mobile virtual network, this one, the mobile virtual network operator type, don't set it, or you are free to use none, and then after save your APN settings. And that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Maru's Tech and I sign out. Let us meet in the next tutorials.